Football. This is a football. It is round and we kick it with our feet. Football is very fun to play. Basketball. This is a basketball. We bounce it and throw it into a hoop. Bounce, bounce, score. Cricket ball. This is a cricket ball. It is hard and used with a bat. Hit the ball and run. Tennis ball. This is a tennis ball. It is soft and light. We hit it with a racket. Baseball. This is a baseball. Players hit it with a bat and run fast. Volleyball. This is a volleyball. We hit it over a net using our hands. Rugby ball. This is a rugby ball. It is oval-shaped, not round. Players run while holding it. Golf ball. This is a golf ball. It is very small and has tiny holes. We hit it into a hole. Table tennis ball. This is a table tennis ball. It is very light and bouncy. We play on a table. Hockey ball. This is a hockey ball. We hit it with a stick. Handball. This is a handball. We throw and catch it with our hands. Softball. This is a softball. It is bigger and softer than a baseball. Beach ball. This is a beach ball. It is big, colorful, and very light.